In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish reports using the Power BI service. Whether you're sharing insights with your team or simply looking to streamline your data presentation, understanding how to effectively publish your reports can make a significant difference in your workflow. Let's begin by navigating to Power BI on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to do so. Once you're in the program, your first stop will be the Home tab. This is where you will find a variety of options to handle your reports, and today, our focus is on getting one of those reports published. Now, look for the Publish button located in the Home tab. This button is your gateway to sharing your insights. By clicking on Publish, you initiate the process of uploading your report to the Power BI service. This service is an online platform that allows you to share your report with colleagues or stakeholders who may need access to these insights. Before you proceed further, you will need to save your work. It seems straightforward, but this step ensures all the hard work you've done on your report is preserved and ready for sharing. In Power BI, saving a report is as simple as clicking on Save. Make sure to save all the recent changes you've made before moving forward. A crucial point to note here is that you need to be signed into your Power BI account to be able to publish. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do so. This allows Power BI to authenticate your identity and provide the necessary permissions to share your report with others. Without signing in, you won't be able to access the publishing feature, which is why it's important to ensure your account details are up to date and you're logged in. Once you're all signed in and everything is set, by clicking Publish, Power BI will prompt you to select a workspace for your report. Workspaces are essentially environments within Power BI where you can collaborate with others. Choose the appropriate workspace where your report will be viewed or edited by your collaborators. After selecting the workspace, Power BI begins to upload your report to the service. This may take a few moments, depending on the size and complexity of the report. Once the upload is complete,